Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back if this is not your first time. My name is April, this is the Frugal Planner channel, and a while ago I received this composition notebook from Kelly, one of our community members, and I think I have figured out how I want to use it. So it's half graph, half lined. Hear me out. It's going to be a Dutch door system, okay? I am going to do a month right up here. So it'll be the month of February right here. And then count 28 pages. This is going to be my pantry inventory. You're like, wait, what? Yes, pantry inventory monthly calendar. In this monthly calendar, I'm going to have, it may not even be the month. It may just be a grid of meals I want to make, right? And then what I'm going to do, I am going to bake a Dutch door. So I am going to cut the guts. I'm going to cut the top portion out here, and I'm going to save the lined portion down here. And then, stay with me, this is going to be Monday, Monday, February 1st. There's going to be 28 pages that flip over. Each one is going to have the day of the week, okay? In this, it's going to be 2 categories. Oh, you know what I could do? Did I say pantry stuff? Yes, okay. Sidetracked. I had this while I was sleeping last night. I had a dream that I did this, so I want to try it. Because sometimes my best dreams, sometimes my best ideas come from dreams. So I'm going to cut this apart. I'm going to make a Dutch door. This portion is going to be gone. So as I'm flipping over each day, I've got the list of things that I want to make. I have the list of items that I need to use. I'm excited. And I might just do this as a running. So, make this column pantry, make this column fridge, make this column freezer, and make this column canning. And then just continue to write in there as things come up. So how am I going to cut this out? That is a really, really good question. And I don't know that I know yet. Doesn't that sound like me? Like, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm going to get an X-Acto knife and just cut this down to here. But I don't want to cut this part of the page, so I might have to add something thin in between there. Or I could get my X-Acto out, fold this over like this. I don't know if that'll work. And then just cut along here. Or I could do my scissors on each one. I think an X-Acto, though, would give a much better edge for what I'm looking for. But folding that over probably will not be my best option. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it is going to work. I'll probably do it from this side because I can get a little bit closer. Yeah. Okay. I am going to work on this. I just wanted to pop on and give you an idea. Oh, so anyway, I'll have like meals down here if I need to keep track of any like special ingredients or a recipe. I will put that on here. But a lot of times I don't follow a recipe. I just make things up. So another thing I could do if I wanted to do a recipe is I could put it in here on a sticky note. Anyway, part of this is going to be my household chore for the day as well. So I'll have it all in one spot. Or do I make one section for meals, skip, and then do a section for household in the same book? No, I'd rather have it on the same page. Less excuses to forget about it, right? All right, I'm going to work on this. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for all of your encouragement and support. I absolutely love you. I cannot thank you enough for your kindness and just non-judgment. I appreciate it. I will talk to you all soon. I hope you have the very best day. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm back. I ended up just taking my scissors and cutting across the line and then tearing these out. So here they all are here. I just tore them, just ripped them out, ripped the Band-Aid off. So that is what this so far looks like. And yeah, so I've got a cover page there that is kind of coming up, but that's okay. So I'll have food, ideas, meal ideas here, and then stock that I have. And then this will be February 1st, 2nd, and there's 28 of these. So it'll be 1 page per day. And then figuring out the layout is going to be a ton of fun. Now, I did not glue my pages together, so I'm probably not going to be writing in this in any of my Sharpie markers or Tombos, but I mean, come on. This is pretty cool. I'm excited to really dive in here. I wish I had time this morning. See what time it is? Yeah, no, I don't have time this morning. Oh, I have to get ready to go to work. If only I could do this full time. Like, this is my job, just to make planners. I would love that. Anyway, I know you probably have a ton of things to do too, so I will come back to this. I'm excited for this. I won't take it to work with me. I will not work on this on my lunch hour. I promise. I will leave it on my desk, and when I get back, I will film more of this for you. Oh my gosh, I'm really, really excited for this. All right, I will talk to you soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.